Hey, I'm home. Ooh, whatever's cooking smells delicious. Smells almost as delicious as you do. Yeah, I know. Don't bother the master while he's in his domain. So how was your day at work, Usagi-kun? Oh. Well, that's good. Sounds like it wasn't a terrible day, at least. I know you deal with a lot more drama than I do at work, so I'm glad to hear that it wasn't too terrible today. Oh, yes, I am listening to every single word that drops from those absolutely perfect lips of yours, Love Bunny. Every word. Oh, come on. You know what your scent does to me. Fine. I'll let you finish cooking. Wouldn't want this scrumptious meal that you slaved over to get ruined. Yeah? It's hard to keep my hands off you when you're still in your uniform from the club, though. Oh, shut up. You know you look amazing. Boys in crop tops are a whole level of kryptonite I don't think the world was adequately prepared for. And those booty shorts with that fluffy tail on display. Yeah, sorry. This is me exiting your domain, Usagi-kun. Love you. Let me know when it's done. I'll serve it up so you can get changed. I know you don't like wearing those clothes when you're not at work. didn't you call for me?
Please.
You worked just as hard as I did today, if not harder. My job isn't as physically demanding as yours is. Usually. I wish you'd let me help you out more.
You are seriously the best cook ever.
This meal is delicious. How did I get so lucky to have a man like you in my life?
This is so damn good, baby. Thank you.
I always forget how it affects you when I heap on the praise, the flattery. But watching those long ears of yours stand to attention, I wonder how I could ever not remember that pleased as punch expression on your face. Ooh, love bunny. Is that a blush on those cheeks? No. Go on. Finish eating. I love the way your breath hitches when I touch you. You like the way my fingertips feel, sliding up these absolutely luscious thighs. It should be illegal for a man to have such perfect thighs. Oh, I understand. You wanted me to notice you, didn't you? We've both been so busy with work lately that it's felt like we're two ships passing in the night. Feels like I kiss you goodbye in the morning, and you usually kiss me goodbye as soon as I get home at night. Here. Give me your hand. It's always crazy to me that even though I'm a catkin, you're bigger than I am. These giant hands of yours are proof of that. Let me kiss these knuckles. All covered with old, shiny scars. I thought you were such a fierce creature the first time I laid eyes on you. All finished? Do you remember the first time you and I met? I can see it in my memory as clearly as if it happened yesterday. But it was, 3 years ago now? It was just after the merger, once I'd taken over the group. I was out inspecting all the new venues I'd taken under my wing, and the cage fighting. I couldn't believe the unfettered brutality I witnessed that night. And I've seen some gnarly shit. Yeah, you were more wounded than I think you even realized. But it didn't matter to you, because your inherited debt to the Canids had to be paid. Your little sister's medical bills couldn't be handled with anything other than a loan from the mob, which they, of course, never expected you to be able to pay back. They figured you'd be dead after the first fight, not still standing and still going 6 rounds later. Those filthy fucking mongrels. If I could just go back in time and drop the cash they needed at their feet right before ripping out their throats for you, bathing the walls with their arterial spray, chew on their necks until their spines crack under my teeth. I got a little carried away again, didn't I? It's hard not to, though, when it comes to you. I can still remember the scent of your blood that night. So thick and cloying that it made me want to pin you down and lick your wounds just to get a taste of that sweet, sweet 𝚙𝚘𝚛𝚏𝚘𝚢 blood. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to squeeze your hand so hard. Here, let me soothe it with my tongue. I know I said it then, but I still mean it with every fiber of my being, Usagi-kun. Only a fool would fuck with Ginevra Astrella and think they'd live to tell the tale. That same rule applies to all I love and all I possess. And last time I checked, I love you. And you're fucking mine. Yeah? But of course you are. But it's not like with them. I don't actually own you, Usagi-kun. You're mine because I love you. You're mine because I want you. You're mine because my life was so fucking empty. Until you came along and healed this wound I had that I didn't even know was so desperately aching to be filled. Damned pervert. Here I am, trying to be all sweet and meaningful. Although, I'm not gonna lie, you acting like a stereotypical rabbit is getting me bothered in all sorts of ways.